Health benefits of ginseng and treatment. Benefits: potent antioxidant that may reduce inflammation, may benefit brain function, could improve erectile dysfunction, may boost the immune system, may have potential benefits against cancer, may fight tiredness and increase energy levels, could lower blood sugar. Now foods. Panax Ginseng Review. Description: Adaptogenic Herb, a dietary supplement. Botanicals, herbs. Family owned since 1968. GMP Quality Assured. Suggested use: take 2 capsules 1 to 2 times daily as needed. Other ingredients: gelatin, capsule, stearic acid, vegetable source, and magnesium stearate, vegetable source. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish, or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Caution: for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Do not eat freshness packet. Keep in bottle. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.